Hi, so in this video we're going to talk about how to make and also how to loosen your Bantu knot. So your Bantu knot is one of those protective hairstyles, that actually really grows your natural hair. And you can make this hair with either your Brazilian wool or your attachments. I did mine with a Brazilian wool, and it is really helps to grow the hair. So first of all, we're going to talk about how to loosen your Bantu knot, and then we'll now go over to how to actually make this Bantu knot.
One thing I love about this hair, it is so unique. Like the Bantu knots, it was so good. People loved the hair. Anywhere I go to, they were like, "Ah, your hair is so fine," And the knots were not loosening. If you follow the pattern, I'm going to show you on how you can make the hair, the Bantu knot, right. It wouldn't loosen, and for the fact that I used a Brazilian wool, it was more affordable. Yes, it was more affordable, and it kind of grew the hair a lot more, than using the usual extension, expression extension, right? The attachments, like we call it. So yeah.
So
this is the normal way it comes. Like when you make the hair extension, you just basically plug it like this up to this point, right? And then you start from here, you bend it towards this end, something like this, right? And then you start to twist it round and round, just like this, twist it round and round. And okay, let me do that very well. So this is it, right? You bend it like this, and then you start to twist it, something like after this one comes the next one, and then the next one, and then of course use this part to just fasten the base, tighten it so that the Bantu knot is secured. So this was what, how it was done basically. So yeah, so when you start loosening, you could just start from this knot, twist it backwards, until you get it out, so that you could eventually loosen this part you already knotted at your root. So yeah, so this was it. You bend it like this, get the first knot like this. This is what forms the Bantu knot. So you take it like this, okay, so like this, first flogging, and then it goes underneath like this, and then like this, and then like this. This is what forms the knot, the Bantu knot. And then you just, flip it over.